Hey guys, my name's Dora. Today I'm going to show you how to paint several loose watercolor flowers at an angle. The flower that I'm painting will be located in the top left-hand corner. Lately, I've been obsessed with this color palette. I just love how dramatic and contrasted the flowers look. I feel like this flower came out so good. It's at a slight angle. The flower is open but kind of hugged together. This flower may look like it's open face, but painting the bottom petals a bit shorter than the top will create a slight angle. Oops, I messed up those leaves big time. This flower is at a top side angle. Start with a very light circle and then paint the petals around it. Notice how the top middle petal is the tallest and all the other ones get progressively shorter and wider at the tips. This flower is basically upside down. This one is at a side angle. This one is just like the last one, except it's more at a top side angle, so you can see some of its back petals. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe now for more creative watercolor tutorials. And if you're interested in DIY bath and body projects, you should definitely check out my other channel.